Hey folks, we're back with another Christmas video. We're doing our front entryway and redoing a couple of wreaths. And we thought you might want to see right here on my take on home and garden. So one thing I'm doing today for the porch is this cool Christmas box full of pine cones, and we're gonna finish up this horn. I have several horns to use today, so I'm working on that. So this needs some excitement in there. Let's go with this boxwood, and we'll need one more thing. Now there's already a rope on here, so just getting that through. And I need a twist tie, which you know I save. I want a green one because I don't want to see. Come in here. I'm already going to hear about how you can't see, but you're going to see when I'm done. Get that bow back down, and we're going to hang this over by the lower hall mirror. That's for the bench. Most of our work is on the outside today. So guys, I got these cup hooks, and I'm gonna take this number 8 finishing nail and I'm gonna do some pilot holes around the door and put these cup hooks in, so my garland will just go up quick and connect, and when I go to take it down, it'll be just as quick. Hey guys, now that we're all done with our cup hooks, we're going to take this garland, and it's 9 feet, so I needed 2 to go around this 6-foot wide door. Roughly 6 foot. I'm going to get that straightened out. We'll use 1 for each side. Yep, that's going to come out good. Don't get caught without fluffing your garland. You want to fluff that up and make it pretty. You know, it doesn't come right in the package. It's all machine pressed into a bundle. We're gonna get that on the cup hooks and get that all caught up. Okay folks, now I've put in 100 C5 LEDs all the way around the garden. I've put it all the way around the garland too. Okay guys, we got our ribbon in. Now I'm going to cut some of these lamb's ear picks. I got some holly picks, some berry picks, and I'm going to get them in this garland to fill it out. We got a ton of ornaments, and you know I like multiple sizes. Now we got horns and we got some cool berry picks. Now I've got a few giant snowflakes to put in the trees. Okay, we got our wreath. I'm gonna make an extra nice bow. Yes, I'm gonna make it. Out of a 30-foot roll. Now I need the center of the roll. Okay, so we're gonna find the middle and look at this glorious plaid ribbon. Now I'm gonna hold it like this. Come back, fold it there. Keep it even, come back. Okay, our last one we want up, and we're gonna take this bundle and turn it over. Now we can use some wire twist tie. Get on that. A couple of ties. Nice and tight. Then we're gonna take and just open this like a flower. Left, right, left, right. Because of the wire rim, that's gonna hold it for you. Really help it look good. Okay, now we're starting to get happy with that. We're gonna take another wire, come in where we can get it on that bunch and attach it to our wreath. Alrighty. We're gonna keep adding until we're done, and then we're gonna take you and show you all around. And we have a little sled to put out. Oh my goodness.
Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Holiday couldn't be here sooner. Holiday for family and friends. And we've got pine tree, pine cone, evergreen, mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus, a gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Just around the corner, coming up right down the line. Chestnuts roasting on the burner. Everybody knows it's Christmas time. And we've got Frosty, Rudolph, Snowball, Snowflakes, cookie dough, and that old Scrooge. Firewood, fireplace, sugar plum, jingle bells, and Santa's little helpers too. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up right down the line. gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Look, here comes a holiday for family and friends. Christmas coming just around the Christmas coming just around. Christmas coming just around the bend.
So folks, that's our front entryway video today. If you liked it, give us a like, a share, a comment. A room at the Hilton. Follow us on Instagram. You know, we appreciate all our friends and subscribers. Take care, everybody. And happy holiday and Merry Christmas. We'll see you in the next video.